Yes, so we're out here at the Yard Beach House in Negril, Jamaica. And we are having breakfast. I'm having some curried shrimp. You can see that curried shrimp with mashed potato, vegetables, steamed veg, and raw veg. The entire crew is over there. You probably can see a few of them right here. Yeah, we just relaxing. Ocean is right out there. Enjoying it. Actually, this place is a really nice place. It's my first time here at this spot. You know, just relaxing and just enjoying. Another restaurant and bar on that 7 Mile White Sand Beach in Negril, Jamaica, all courtesy of hollycottages.net. Holly Cottage, hashtag Holly Cottage, Jamaica 876. This is your boy Pablo coming to you live from Negril, Jamaica. Hashtag Negril, Jamaica. These people are really cool here at Negril Beach House. Real cool. I mean, warm, nice, courtesy, you know, trying to take care of you. Really don't have a lot of people right now, you know, it's kind of early, you know. It's probably about midday now, you know, and it's a Saturday morning in Jamaica, you know, so, you know, probably tomorrow, Sunday, you might see more people coming out to the beach or later, and it's not so sunny. Yeah, but, yeah, that's our driver right here, you coming in. That's O'Brien, aka Max. Yeah. So we just chilling, man. We just relaxing, you know. It's windy out here, you know. Just enjoying the nice, smooth ambience of Negril, Jamaica, all courtesy of hollycottages.net. That's only 2 minutes drive from your world famous Rick's Cafe. You can Google that. You know, there's my friend and family over there. Hey, what's going on, Shaw? Say something to the camera. Sure. Okay, yeah. That's my girl Shalon there. Anisha, what's going on? Okay, Annie Boo. Hey, Deja, what's up? Say something. No, my food is fine. Why are you saying that when I'm gonna eat it? Don't say that. That's not nice. I have you on camera. Do you want to eat my food? Do you want to eat my food for me? Hi, Mommy T. How we doing? We good? All right, we having fun out here, man. Yeah, man. We had a ball last night, man, at that Roots Bamboo place. Yeah, oh shucks, that Roots Bamboo place where Luciano was working. Oh, he probably did about 4 hours on stage. Shucks, I'm still like real lazy right now. You really wanted to wake up late, but I got up early. I have a little car out here that I said, you know what, I'm gonna just take it down to the mechanic shop and let the guy assess it for me and see, you know, it need a little touching up and stuff like that, what it really needs. But we having so much fun. Look at this out here, and I can zoom up for you as far as your eyes can see. Let me zoom up for you a little bit. As far as your eyes can see, it's just pure blue water, that blue sea you can see out there. Oh, it's beautiful. It's awesome. It's beautiful, just like DJ DJ Khaled said, oh sure, this is God. It's beautiful, man. It's awesome. It's a beauty. Telling you about Yardman style. He said that's Yardman style. People, for those of you that have never been to Jamaica, you should at least try it, even for one time in your life. Don't follow the rumors. Come and check it out for yourself. Jamaica is nice. Jamaican people are very friendly and loving. Very nice people. Don't get me wrong. I'm not even trying to paint such a cute picture so you can all look in, for you to look in one direction. Jamaica have unruly people here, or unruly guys here, just like anywhere else in the world. I give a little trouble sometimes, but I can tell you something about Jamaica. Because this is where I was born. Jamaican government, they do everything within their limits of their power to protect the tourism industry and the citizens of Jamaica. The tourist industry, that's because the tourist industry, let me give you a little history here. I hope I'm not talking too long. Because you see, the tourist industry of Jamaica, it is the #1 economy. It is the #1 source of Jamaica or Jamaican making money. The tourists. I think the second one is probably agriculture, and the third one is aluminum. But tourism is the #1. So the Jamaican government, they do everything to protect tourists here. So if you come to Jamaica and you are in the tourist industry, all you gotta do is just follow the guidelines. If you book Cali cottages, we have tour guide, official tour guide that can take you around if you wanna go different places in Jamaica. Okay, so you gotta check out calicottages.net. Cali Cottages Jamaica 876 to know what's going on. But we're just chilling right here at Yard Beach House, and we are having a good time. You know, it's relaxing. You know, it's windy. The sun is shining. I'm not trying to go out there and get no suntan. I'm already black, so I'm good with that, with my blackness. So, but I'm telling you, man, when you come here as a visitor, so much love, man. There's so much love here for you. You gotta take it off for yourself. So much love. The Jamaican people, they are warm. They embrace you with open arms, you know, and so love. Yeah, so much love. Yeah. Wifey that says she's planning on go and get a massage right now. Sweetie, what's going on? What's the latest? Say hi to the camera.
Foot massage.
Oh, you're gonna get a foot massage? Okay. Always want massage. And when our husband makes say you want a massage, she get a little jelly, you know. Yeah. But it's okay. She good. Say, honey, don't take off your clothes. I don't want them to touch you. Right there. It's a massage, man. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Yeah, but it's all good, though. It's wifey. Yeah. Cool lady, you know. Cali Cottage's first lady. That's Cali Cottage first lady right there. Yeah, so this is your boy Pablo coming at you live. Negril, Jamaica. And we're at Yard Beach House. Oh, she getting her massage right there. Oh, I like that massage you getting. I'm probably gonna get one too, huh?
Good.
That foot massage. Yeah. You gonna book it for me? You gonna book it for me? After you? Oh, okay, thank you so much. It's a good lady, man. So she'll let me get a foot massage. One thing with her, she stick to her word, you know. So you see, I feel better when the female give her a massage than the male. Female give her a foot massage. Female give me a foot massage too. She good with that, you know. Yeah, she okay. Full body massage. She like to do that sometime right here on the beach. And I'm a more private guy. I prefer to do it in a more secluded area, you know. But it's okay though. Yeah. So reason why I'm here with you all, I'm just trying to make you imagine just being here in Jamaica and try to get a taste of Jamaica just by seeing it or get even a smell of it. It's awesome and you need to be here. And if you listen to this music, that's one of my favorite artists over there working called Saska, aka Agent Saska. Yeah, yeah, aka Saska. Alright, so I'm gonna cut you off a little bit, you know, and then I'm probably gonna move around if I feel like. Kind of tour the seashore for you, kind of give you a little peek of what's going on the beach side. Walk down the strip and up the strip for a little bit and give you a more view. So I'm out for now, man. It's Jamaica, man. One love, man. No worries. It's real nice out here. You guys will love it. This is your boy Pablo coming at you live. You got the security here going around. Yeah, he's cool too. He look like cool people. This is your boy Pablo coming at you live. At Negril, Jamaica. Hashtag Negril, Jamaica. Live. Yard Beach House. Yeah. All courtesy of CaliCottages.net. Hashtag CaliCottages Jamaica 876. I'm Ho Friday.